This lecture will be bringing an asset into Unreal Engine. Now, the first thing that needs to happen is that we need to make sure that the asset is placed at the appropriate spot. Right now you can see this orange dot, and it's in the middle of the dinosaur's body, so that means that the dinosaur will be halfway through the floor if we try to put it in the engine. So to change that, we can either snap it to the 3D cursor or snap it to the average of the geometry. But right now the 3D cursor is exactly where we need it to be, the world origin, and if it's not there, you can press Shift S, cursor to world origin. To set the cursor, I'm going to press the space bar to search and type set origin, click that, origin to 3D cursor. Now the origin is in the correct spot. In Unreal, the positive x-axis is forward facing. So to make our dinosaur forward facing, I'm going to type in RZ90 to rotate him 90 degrees on the z-axis. Now he's facing the correct direction. Make sure to apply modifiers before you go and put him in the engine. Right now there's a mirror modifier that I will apply. Next, we got to make sure that our UV maps are intact. So open up a UV image editor, go into edit mode, and it looks like there's not any for this one. So press U, Smart UV project, and now we have our texture projection. It looks like the material is already applied, and there's no spots that I want to have a different material. This could just be a nice statue or something. And now, once you've got all this ready, go to File, Export, FBX. Before you export, make sure you delete everything else in your scene. Look in the outliner and make sure there's nothing else there except your object. And then go to File, Export, FBX. Now, choose where you'd like to save your object, name it whatever you'd like, and then click Export FBX. Now, in Unreal, navigate to wherever you saved the file, and then drag it into your Unreal content browser. Once you're ready, click Import All. And now you can drag it into your scene. Here we have a common error that sometimes happens when exporting. It's very easy to fix. Go back into Blender, go into Edit Mode, go to Mesh, Normals, and Recalculate Outside. Essentially what was happening is that the faces were inside out to the game engine. To check if this is going to happen, click this arrow here and click Face Orientation. If it's blue, it's good to go. If it's red, then that means you need to go recalculate the normals again. It's very easy to export again. Just go File, Export, FBX. Everything's already ready, so just click Import Everything again. And now when I drag it in, it is all ready to go. Congratulations, you just imported your first asset into Unreal. So watch the following videos to figure out some more practical applications of this and get some practice.